Eros Hennen OP. Hey, what are we starting with? Opai, Opai.
म्यूजिक चल रहा है भाई, जिराया का थीम। ओके, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ नारुतो शॉर्ट्स, और आज शुड आई से नारुतो शिपुडेन शॉर्ट्स। स्वागत है आप सबका काउच पोटैटो पे। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं उस सेंसे, उस मेंटोर की, उस टीचर की जिसने दो होकागेस को पढ़ाया है। सिर्फ वही था जिसने सिखाया है, पढ़ाया है, जो भी किया, जिसने दो होकागेस को सिखाया है निंजुत्सुज। कौन 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 कौन? एक तो मिनातो, दूसरा कौन? कायरो।
Naruto.
हम बात करने वाले हैं आज नन अदर देन एरोस सेनिन की। परवी टीचर इसका मतलब होता है, इनफैक्ट परवी ओल्ड मैन होता है इसका मतलब। जिराया
Yeah.
सामा। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट जिराया सामा टुडे। सो कायरो, फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ जिराया, let's not say the word out, but let's, do you understand? Indirect reference.
No, I don't.
शर्मा कह रहे हो भाई, से शर्माओ मत यार तुम।
See, he was called Eros Hennen for a reason. But the first thing that comes to my mind is make-out tactics.
अच्छा, मेकआउट टैक्टिक्स, वो तो बुक थी ना भाई।
हाँ भाई.
भाई बुक की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, कोई ऐसी
नहीं,
चीज़
मैं
की
बुक की
बात
बात
कर रहा
कर
हूँ
रहा हूँ. मुझे और
भाई।
मैं किसी और चीज पे नहीं जा रहा हूँ.
देखो, सी फॉर तो किसी और ही को बनाना, ठीक है? तुम
हाँ, ठीक है.
तो बताएं भाई, आप बताएं। बोलिए भाई।
Opai. There, I said
नाइस,
it.
गुड, वेरी गुड, नाइस, आई लाइक द ट्रांसपेरेंसी। जस्ट अ मिनट।
And to quote him, this is for people who know, because people who know, and those who don't know, don't know. I just have one thing to say. 106 centimeters.
He
And
was
I
good
leave
at
it at that.
measurements. He was good at
Yes.
measurements. So, yeah. So now coming to serious, talks about Jiraiya, serious observations about Jiraiya. Some of the Naruto quotes, some of the quotes that Jiraiya had. Yo, I am Jiraiya. You can send me the love letter later. How can one get serious, man? To Nagato, yes, this is a serious one. When people get hurt, they learn to hate. When people hurt others, they become hated and racked with guilt. But knowing that pain allows people to be kind, pain allows people to grow, and how you grow is up to you. Right, very right. This is beautiful. And the next one is again to Naruto. He says, "I'm not a pervert. I'm a super pervert." What the fuck? He just owned being a pervert. That's the best way I can put it.
Yeah.
So yeah, what can we learn from a character like Jiraiya? Let's not learn how pervert he was. Like, that's not an ideal learning, I would say. But yeah, what else can we learn from a character like Jiraiya? I think first and foremost would be his teaching skills, bro. Like, he was an amazing teacher. Can't we accept that? Can we agree to that? Because
Yeah.
the way he taught
Because
all his students,
all of them.
all 5, 6, 8, 9 of them. I mean, there were a lot.
Yeah.
So
6, 7 students.
amazing teacher, first of all. No mercy when he used to teach students. He used to be like, you have to go full out. I'm not gonna give slack, cut you any slack just because you're kids, right? Like, remember when the time he was teaching Naruto. And one very keen observation about Jiraiya, he has taught people who were usually left alone, right? Minato had no parents, Naruto had no parents, Nagato had no parents, and he has taught each and every kid whom he thought was the child of prophecy. I think that was his motive,
Yes.
to teach the child of prophecy.
Yes. That guy that guy got duped a lot.
I think वो उस मेंढक की गलती थी.
Huh, but you know, all of his students, all of them, I mean the main students, I meaning Minato, Yahiko, Nagato, Conan, and Naruto. All five of them did achieve great things.
Of course, these five, of course, did achieve great things. That's true. Because I think they were destined to do great things. Because, of course, they were students of Jiraiya, dude.
Yes.
One of the three legendary
And
Sanins.
and I feel throughout the character, throughout the journey of Jiraiya, if you look at it, in when Jiraiya was young, he was no different than Naruto. He was not a prodigy like Orochimaru.
Of course,
He was a dumb kid.
you know, when I see Naruto and when I see Jiraiya, जब उनका जो बचपन दिखाए थे वो हमें पता चलता है, and in fact Obito also, you know, just mentioning the similarities. All these three were so dumb. They didn't understand jutsus. They didn't understand how to do them in the first go.
Obito was not that dumb. Obito was not that dumb. He was stupid. He was not dumb when it came to jutsu.
I mean, yeah,
These
that's
two
true.
were
That is
dumb
true.
when it came to jutsu.
Yeah, I'll say that. So they took a lot of time understanding their specialities, but once they did, once they understood what is unique to them, they killed it. Like, I think Sage mode was something that was very unique to Jiraiya because nobody could pull it off before Jiraiya, right? Not Minato.
Yeah, we
Not
don't have
Hashirama,
many people.
Tobirama, like nobody who perfected it until Naruto, of course. But then again, Jiraiya came the closest to perfection, I think, before Naruto, right?
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong, because I think Sage mode was first.
Hashirama did Sage mode. Hashirama did Sage mode. Hashirama had the perfect Sage mode, but then again, you cannot compare anybody to him because he was the god of Shinobi.
Of course, yeah, right. That's true. But yeah, but as you said, Hashirama was on another level, just like Madara was.
Different realm.
Exactly. So
He's different realm.
exactly. So yeah, Jiraiya, something unique to Jiraiya was his Sage mode. Then came, he understood how can one evade the illusion. Yeah, what the fuck is the name, man? Sharingan illusion.
Genjutsu.
Genjutsus, yes. Genjutsus. It's been so long, man. It's been so long. Anyway, so he knew how to evade, Genjutsus. He figured that out, right? He taught Naruto that, right? He taught Naruto that if you don't know how to, release yourself from a Genjutsu, inflict real pain upon yourself so that you understand the difference between the pain you're feeling in the Genjutsu and in real life. And that's how you will come out of the Genjutsu.
And another thing, one thing that I'd like to point out is Itachi, one of the greatest Sharingan users.
Yes.
Okay? Kisame Hoshikaki, who was known as a tailed beast without a tail. He had that much chakra.
Yes,
Okay?
true.
These two combined did not dare attack Naruto when he was with Jiraiya because they knew just how fearsome Jiraiya is.
Yes, I remember. That's right. That was when they come to the place where Sasuke, Naruto, and Jiraiya, all three of them are there in that building. And
that is the only time when they try and the moment Jiraiya arrives, they just
retreat.
There.
Yeah,
they retreat. Yes.
I think that shows the level of competency that Jiraiya has in the show very early on.
Yes. And if you look at it from initially when third Hokage, Hiruzen Sarutobi, was teaching him Shuriken Jutsu. and he goes like shuriken whatever jutsu. From there
to becoming
to,
one of the three legendary Sanins.
yes,
Yeah, that's right.
that really shows how great of a character Jiraiya has been. And even after, even with his death, I think the only, major role, one of the major thing that played an important role in Naruto's character development, Naruto becoming more mature,
Hmm.
was Jiraiya's death.
Of course, I remember that. I think after that, when he started learning Sage mode, Naruto never imagined that he could do Sage mode. He could even pull off the Jiraiya kind of Sage mode. Forget about
Nah,
pulling off Hashirama's perfect Sage mode, right? He couldn't even
huh.
imagine doing a Sage mode like Jiraiya. But then when he goes to the Toad Realm and he literally practices each and every day there, he puts in so much hard work because Jiraiya wanted him to perfect the Sage mode, right? And then returning on the battlefield to, entering the battlefield to defeat Pain. Like, that was next level. Like, those 10 to 20 episodes were something else. One of the best, I'll say a short series between main events, one of the best main events of the show.
And I still remember Pain has destroyed the entire Konoha, and Sakura just shouts, Naruto, where
Naruto,
are
where
you?
are you?
Or something like that, and then
I was
suddenly
amazed she didn't
Naruto
call Jiraiya.
pops.
Bloody useless. Anyway,
But yes,
bye.
what else?
Yeah. So, Jiraiya and Tsunade's relationship. It was very similar to what Sakura and Naruto had, but the difference between the two was when Tsunade aged over time, she had a soft spot for Jiraiya. We see that when Jiraiya
Yes,
is leaving for Rain Village, right? Village of Hidden Rain.
yes,
So what happens is he says that I'm going to spy on Pain. I'm gonna see which one is the real one, and I'm gonna tell all that information
get
to
some
you guys.
intel.
Yeah. So he goes for intel, and he's like, I'll come back with some intel, and then and there Tsunade realizes, and we get a sort of a hint that holy shit, something bad's gonna happen. This is a bad feeling. Exactly what Tsunade was feeling. All of us who were watching that episode were feeling it, right? That
Yes,
just don't go, Jiraiya. Just don't go. Go with Naruto if you
yeah,
want, but don't go alone.
we don't, we don't want that information.
Yeah, we don't need that intel. We'll just deal with them later, dude. Chill out. But then he goes,
But
he fights to his 100% capacity, and Nagato
but
actually defeats him through cheating. You know,
yeah,
इतनी बार पीठ पे वार करता है. First of all, second of all, using multiple bodies, and using Rinnegan on all those bodies, not just physical bodies, but Rinnegan on all those. So I think that made the difference between Nagato and Jiraiya. You know, Nagato went beyond his extent.
if you if you look at that battle, for the majority part, Jiraiya did dominate in some or the other way.
Of course, he did. He actually, I think, defeated what 3 pains, right?
I think so.
Yes, he defeated 3, and there were, I think, 3 more left, 3 or 4, and there were 2 to 3 left, and then later on, उन दोनों में से ही कोई इसके पीठ पे वार करता है, and फिर he dies in the water.
Yeah.
All the chakra rods in his body. But जाते जाते भी वो इतना बड़ा इंटेल दे जाता है ऑन द बैक ऑफ द ओल्ड टोड, रिमेंबर, which was Jiraiya's very good friend.
हाँ
He was one of the toads जिसके साथ सेज मोड करता था जिराया, remember?
yeah. The two toads used to sit on each of his shoulders.
Husband and wife थे.
हाँ वो husband and wife थे.
Epic.
Yeah.
उनका आर्क इसमें भी बहुत अच्छा था. नारुतो जब सेज मोड सीखते रहता ना, बहुत फाड़
हाँ.
भाई.
In all, from taking up holding, having even the chief toad who held a grudge against him for some time because of all the weird positions he would summon him.
That's true. So let's read the last words of Jiraiya. The true measure of a shinobi is not how he lives, but how he dies. It's not what they do in life, but what they did before dying that proves their worth. Just a minute. We don't have much time left. Let's wrap it up ASAP. Last words. Thinking back of it, my story is one full of failures. Tsunade rejected me every time. I couldn't save my friend. I failed to protect my student and my teacher. Compared with the Hokage who came before me, my accomplishments have all been petty and insignificant. I wanted to die like them. And then another sentence, last words. There, that ending was a little better. The frog at the bottom of the well drifts off into the great ocean. Yup. Pretty damn honorable. Pretty damn honorable. I guess it's time to put down my pen. Right? I need a title for the next book. Let's see. Ah, got it. The Tale of Naruto Uzumaki. Perfect. Goosebumps.
Bro, every time.
Goosebumps, dude.
Every time.
Such wonderful character arcs. Naruto's full of such wonderful characters. I mean, talking through these characters and their failures, I realized how can we not talk about Rock Lee's mentor, Guy Sensei.
Guy Sensei.
You have to talk about him too.
Bro, Jiraiya was also considered for the position of the fifth Hokage.
He turned
He was
it down,
that
dude.
great.
He turned
Yes,
it
he
down.
was that great
He
of a
didn't-
character.
He literally said, I don't consider myself eligible for the position and I'm not interested either because I can't take leadership. That's not me.
Yes.
I can't, be the leader of a whole village and tell them what to do. That's not me. I want to live a life, an individualistic life, and I want to do things my way. But of course, being a Hokage limits your ways, right? You have to do everything officially. You can't.
And also, what I think is, I don't think, I think he did not accept that position was because he could not even accomplish, stopping his friend from turning to the bad side.
Of course, he
Because
blamed it.
just like
He blamed
Naruto
himself.
considered-
Yeah, for that. Of
Yes.
course. Naruto actually saved Sasuke from
Even though it
becoming
was not his
Orochimaru.
fault.
Yeah. Naruto
Yes.
actually saved Sasuke from becoming Orochimaru, but Jiraiya couldn't do that. He couldn't save Orochimaru from becoming what Orochimaru became later on. So, yeah, that's true. So I think great discussion, amazing learnings. We had to keep it at 15 minutes, but it's 19. So let's wrap it up here.
Yeah.
Take
I think
care.
we should. But
Good night.
good night.
बट के बाद कल, ठीक है,
But के बाद कल.
और भी कैरेक्टर्स हैं बात करने के लिए, कल बात करेंगे उनके बारे में. टेक केयर, गुड नाइट, हैव फन. थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग and talking about these wonderful characters today and telling us what
Again,
insights can
it
we
is-
take.
Again, it is my pleasure. Always.
Of course. चलो, good night guys. Thank you for visiting Couch Potato. आते रहिए, visit करते रहिए, like, share and subscribe. Please. Peace out.